In this video, I will teach you how to find the center of your canvas in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by activating the rulers. You can drag the ruler to create a guide. But if you want to find the center of your canvas, you need to go to the View menu, go to Guides, and select New Guide. In this pop-up, set the position to 50%. You can also select a color in the drop-down menu. Let's do that one more time to get the horizontal line. Now you have a guide to the center of your canvas. If you want to make sure the guides don't move from their original position, you can go back to the View menu and select Lock Guides. Let's test out our new guides. You can also activate Snap, so objects will snap to your guides. Thank you for watching.